is not bad for a vehicle as big and heavy as the QX80.
Top 4 SUVs with the best safety ratings. 2025 update. Subaru Forester. Compact yet rugged, the 2025 Subaru Forester earns a top safety pick from IIHS thanks to its solid crashworthiness and standard driver assist gear. Rated good in small and moderate overlap crash tests and equipped with eyesight features like automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warnings, the Forester is a safety package for new drivers and families alike. Real owners frequently rave about its confidence-inspiring handling and durability in snow, rain, or rough terrain. With AWD standard, it's especially praised in northern areas. Reddit users compare it favorably to bigger SUVs, noting consistent performance, minimal recalls, and easy maintenance. It's the kind of compact SUV that makes drivers feel secure mile after mile. Third, Hyundai Santa Fe. The midsize Hyundai Santa Fe checks nearly every box. 3-row comfort available, roomy interior, punchy powertrains, and IIHS top safety pick plus status. It scores good across all crash test categories and superior on pedestrian and vehicle crash prevention, meaning it actively helps avoid collisions, not just survive them. Owners consistently praise Hyundai's feature-rich value. For a price under many luxury rivals, the Santa Fe offers auto emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, rear seat occupant alert, and more. Many families report weekly school drop routines to weekend road trips without any major repair bills beyond routine service, making it a real practical pick. 2. Mazda CX-90 or CX-70 PHEV. Mazda's new flagship 3-row SUVs, the CX-90 and 2-row cousin CX-70 PHEV, earned IIHS Top Safety Pick plus honors for 2025. These models receive good ratings in every crash test category and superior in vehicle-to-pedestrian crash prevention. The CX-70 PHEV also rates Good Plus for child seat latch ease of use, a rarity in family SUVs. Mazda fans and Reddit communities highlight the SUV's upscale cabin, sporty handling, and intelligent safety suite. Many users cite Mazda forums where owners report confident safe driving through snow, rain, and suburban life, all without compromising the fun-to-drive feeling Mazda vehicles are known for. It excels in blending safety, comfort, and responsiveness in a very modern package. 1. Infiniti QX80. Taking the top spot, the full-size Infiniti QX80 earned IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus in 2025 and is one of the few large luxury SUVs to do so. It scored good in all crash categories and superior for pedestrian crash prevention. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, blind spot intervention warning, lane departure prevention, predictive collision warning, and rear cross-traffic alert, making it one of the most comprehensive safety suites available in its segment. Many owners choose the QX80 for family travel and long-distance comfort, but mention that it's the safety technologies that give them peace of mind. Testimonials often note that occupant protection remains strong even decades into ownership, and the cabin stays quiet and secure on highways. Considering heavy NVH insulation, powerful build quality, and rugged design, the QX80 is ideal for those who need size, luxury, and bulletproof safety.